Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video we are going to see what is angle between two surfaces. Okay, so because in the upcoming videos we'll be solving problem based on this. So if phi of x comma y comma z is equals to c1 and phi 2 of x comma y comma z is equals to c2 are the two surfaces, then the angle between these two surfaces is equal to the angle between their normals. Okay, normals, that is del phi 1 and del phi 2. So hence that is given as cos theta is equals to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by magnitude of these two, that is del phi 1 into del phi 2. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we'll be solving problems based on this formula. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, subscribe it, hit the bell icon and give a thumbs up.